Hey guys, I'm doing this video to make a little announcement. That is, I'm releasing a video of my Edinburgh show at the moment. It's recorded at Bristow Bar and Kitchen in Edinburgh on 23rd of August. Check it out guys, if you didn't see it in Edinburgh. I know there's still a few of you left out there who haven't seen it. Have a look, make your opinions known. I'm also here because I was walking down the street the other day and my friend said, "Did you know your show got reviewed?" I didn't know that. And then he says, "Yeah, you got a review in a publication called 3 Weeks." Now, I don't know if you're familiar with this paper, but it's a pretty fucking big deal in Edinburgh, okay? All the writers are, they're pretty much 100% uni educated, alright? So you know they're going to be, you know they're going to be clever guys with good opinions. My show was reviewed by a lady called Mary Beardwood, alright? And I remember seeing her in the show. I remember seeing a nice looking young person with a little notepad and pen. And I remember, and I thought, she looked kind of angry. And I thought she's probably just got some problems in her personal life or whatever. But she's not gonna let that affect her judgment, all right? And as I say, they're all uni educated. Some of them have even graduated already. Okay, my reviewer, who does modern languages at Sheffield, all right, solid course, solid uni. So when she gives a show 5 stars, 4, it's for real. You can take it seriously. You're not fucking around with some some crazy guy on the internet writing whatever. Fucking don't know what he's talking about. You're not dealing with that. You're dealing with real journalistic class. Right now, I haven't read the review yet because what I thought I'd do, I thought I'd read it live on camera. See what we've got. Okay. Okay. Are you ready? No! No! Mary Beardwood. I don't know what your ancestors have been up to for a start. I suspect the point may have been to have been as bad as possible, but it doesn't matter. It was still a calamitous waste of time. You suspect it may have been supposed to be as bad as possible. What? If I was a, what are they called? If I was, oh, you're lucky. Because if I was a, oh, what the fuck is it called? You're lucky. Because if I was an internet troll, I would say, I hope you stop being mean to people. Why? Why? Oh man. A guy on the internet, it's a key part of why one does video blogs, why one is a bedroom comedian, because one needs to be loved. Alright? And so fucking bullshit like this Although some other guy, he's written a comment underneath, he disagrees. Although that comment has thumbs down reviews as well as thumbs up. I added to the thumbs up, you know. You know, guys, when stuff like this happens to me, I just gotta. There's only one thing I know how to do. There's only one. You know, guys, there's only one way I know how to deal with this kind of thing, and that is I sing the blues. So I've prepared a little song for you. Enjoy it. Check out my Edinburgh show, as I say. I'm also selling my CD for my first show, my DVD and my second show. It's coming out soon. My book is still out there. I'm going to be publishing a new book, and I'm going to be publishing the scripts of my 3 shows. The troika, I call them. The triangle, you know. Yeah. Check out the song, dudes. Check out my new look. I'm wearing, I'm wearing H&M earring. I'm wearing H&M hats. $2.99, $3.99. I'm wearing t-shirt from Game. RalphShirley.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be working in my favourite key for blues. I'm just so sad. Offering a little song, sad story I thought you might like to hear. Roughshod marriages and accidental births of blue skies masking in night of petty lives. Of this I speak. David was an educated man in the modern sense. He was an uneducated man. His technical training allowed him to believe his economic utility made him greater than 0. I see him every day at 5. I hate David. Here I describe the manner in which I ended his life and the remarkable effect his killing produced in me. His flat was as sad as a brothel. I decided to rid the world of him last Saturday. I have no reason to dislike him. I have reason to like him. He gave me a £20 tip at Christmas. I was sitting in the back of a car with 2 friends in the front. They were loudly and proudly playing the simplest possible tonal music. It involved a bass drum on every beat and the following notes: C, E, G, forming a C major chord, over which a woman sang of the strength of feeling she had for a man. I leant forward. I leant forward in the space between the two front seats. So he basically says there was a wildness in humans that needs to be contained, that we must live in bondage, that we lack the very language to describe our unfreedom. What the fuck are you on about, mate? It's that sort of remark that led to me committing this act. I will not show remorse or weakness. I will use the murder to inspect my feelings and locate a kernel of truth. David's life is a miserable one, even if he doesn't know it. If he sat down with me and I explained how he appears to me, then he would beg me to shoot him on the spot, I assure you. Even if he lives in a deep and profound inner life, he would surely be ashamed of how he appears. In fact, the only way he could not be ashamed of how he appears is if he were internally corrupt, in which case it doesn't matter that he would beg for another 40 years of bland waste. He contributes significantly to the state and his community, but he so befouls the earth with his manner. That is where the waste lies. It is his manner alone that is his crime. Do you not think a bad manner sufficient cause? We each have different criteria. He was killed. I have spent a life looking around me and finding flawed beings, repugnant animals, a cathedral of ugliness. Now I see that it is the eyes that are evil. I have rendered mine eyes unusable. I submit myself to you in humility. I only ask that you judge my actions alone. My reasons are my own. David's body in a circle of blood is less ugly to me than the way he had decorated his flat. Now that I may never see it like, you are safe. The only uncertainty is regarding the other senses. Whoa,